Have you ever wondered why the Bermuda Triangle is so infamous? This region, stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has long been shrouded in mystery, with countless tales of ships and planes vanishing without a trace. The Bermuda Triangle, or the Devil's Triangle as it is sometimes known, is a place where compasses go haywire, and logic seems to lose its footing. Let's delve into the depths of this enigma. It all started in the late 1940s when a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, disappeared during a routine training mission. The pilots reported that their compasses were spinning uncontrollably, and they were unable to determine their positions. Despite extensive search efforts, neither the planes nor the 14 airmen were ever found. This event sparked off a flurry of theories, each more intriguing than the last. Some attribute these mysterious disappearances to supernatural phenomena. Ghost ships, sea monsters, and even extraterrestrial activity have been proposed. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? The idea that somewhere out there, in the vastness of the Atlantic, there could be a portal to another dimension or a hideout for alien life forms. On the other hand, science offers a more grounded explanation. Some argue that magnetic anomalies within the triangle interfere with compasses and navigational equipment. Others suggest that the area is prone to sudden, intense storms that could easily catch a ship or plane off guard. But, despite these theories, the Bermuda Triangle's enigma remains unsolved. The US government doesn't recognize it as a real geographic area or a threat. Yet the stories persist, the disappearances continue, and the mystery deepens. Perhaps the allure of the Bermuda Triangle lies not so much in the answers, but in the questions it raises. It challenges us to question our understanding of the world, to entertain the impossible, and to gaze into the unknown with a sense of wonder and curiosity. The Bermuda Triangle, a mystery that continues to baffle us. It's a reminder that there are still places on this earth that defy explanation and continue to captivate our imagination. What secrets do the pyramids of Giza hold within their stone walls? As we delve into the heart of Egypt, these colossal structures rise from the desert, as enigmatic as they are awe-inspiring. These grand edifices are the pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. They stand as silent witnesses to the ingenuity of a civilization that existed over 4,000 years ago. The largest of the 3, the Great Pyramid, was built for Pharaoh Khufu. The question of how such a massive structure was constructed with the tools of the time continues to baffle experts. Some theories suggest the use of ramps and sledges, while others propose the involvement of extraterrestrial beings. The truth, however, remains buried in the sands of time. The pyramids of Giza are not just remarkable for their size but also for their precise alignment with the stars. The 3 pyramids mirror the positioning of the stars in the Belt of Orion, a fact that continues to intrigue astronomers and historians alike. This celestial alignment suggests a deep understanding of astronomy, a feat that seems almost impossible for an ancient civilization. Inside these pyramids, the air grows heavy with history. The complex interior chambers were designed with a purpose that eludes us even today. Some believe these chambers were meant to guide the pharaoh's soul to the afterlife, while others speculate they were intended for astronomical observations. As we wander through the grand corridors, we stumble upon tales of the pharaohs for whom these pyramids were built, tales of their grandeur, their quests for immortality, and their beliefs in the divine. Like the story of Pharaoh Khufu, who believed that by building the grandest of pyramids, he could secure his place in the afterlife. A belief that led to the creation of one of the most incredible architectural feats in human history. The Pyramids of Giza, an architectural marvel shrouded in mystery. As we step out under the Egyptian sun, the pyramids cast long shadows over the sands, their secrets held close, waiting to be discovered. How did the prehistoric people build the monumental Stonehenge? It's a question that has puzzled historians, archaeologists, and curious minds alike for centuries. This prehistoric monument, nestled in the heart of England, is more than just a collection of massive stones arranged in a circular pattern. It's an enduring testament to our ancestors' ingenuity, a monument shrouded in mystery and intrigue. These stones, some weighing as much as 25 tons, were transported over vast distances, a feat that would be challenging even with today's technology. So, how did our ancestors, with their rudimentary tools and lack of modern machinery, manage to not only transport these massive stones, but also erect them in such a precise formation? It's a question that continues to baffle experts and fuel countless theories. One such theory proposes that Stonehenge was an astronomical observatory. The unique arrangement of the stones aligns with specific solar and lunar events, suggesting that our ancestors may have used it to track celestial movements. This theory, while fascinating, is yet to be definitively proven. Another theory ventures into the realm of the mystical, suggesting that Stonehenge was a place of healing. The blue stones that form part of the monument are believed to possess healing properties. Some propose that people traveled from far and wide, bearing their sick and injured, in the hope that the stones would cure them. Despite the numerous theories, the true purpose of Stonehenge remains a mystery. Was it a sacred burial ground, a calendar to track the seasons, or a place for social gatherings? We may never know. What we do know is that our ancestors accomplished an extraordinary feat, one that continues to captivate us today. So as we delve deeper into the mysteries of our world, we keep returning to Stonehenge, drawn by its enigmatic allure, its testament to human ingenuity, and its enduring mystery. As we stand in its shadow, we are reminded of our ancestors' capabilities and our ongoing quest to unravel the mysteries they left behind. Stonehenge, a megalithic mystery standing tall through the ages. What was the purpose of the giant geoglyphs etched into the Nazca Desert? A question that has baffled historians, archaeologists, and mystery seekers alike for decades. Welcome to the arid plains of southern Peru, where the Nazca lines, these enormous and intricate geoglyphs, stretch out over a staggering 500 square kilometers. Just imagine, these magnificent lines, some spanning nearly 9 kilometers in length, have been etched into the landscape for over 2,000 years. Their scale and complexity are so vast that they can only be fully appreciated from the sky, a perspective the Nazca people couldn't possibly have had. This has led to a flurry of theories, some more outlandish than others, attempting to explain their purpose. Was it an astronomical calendar? Some experts believe that the Nazca lines functioned as a kind of celestial map, marking out the positions of the sun, moon, and stars at different times of the year. This theory suggests that the Nazca people used the lines to track the passage of time and plan their agricultural activities accordingly. Or perhaps were these lines messages to extraterrestrial beings? As unlikely as it may sound, this theory has gained traction among some circles. The idea posits that the Nazca people created these massive geoglyphs with the intention of communicating with or attracting the attention of beings from other planets. The discovery of the Nazca lines in the early 20th century by Peruvian archaeologist Toribio Mejia Zespe sparked a global fascination that continues to this day. Yet despite ongoing efforts to preserve them, these ancient lines are under threat from natural elements and human activity. As we delve into the enigma of the Nazca lines, it's clear that they are more than just lines in the sand. They are a testament to human creativity, a grand puzzle left by an ancient civilization, and a reminder of our enduring desire to understand the mysteries of our past. The Nazca lines, a grand mystery etched in the sands of time. Who built the colossal Moai statues of Easter Island, and why? A question as ageless as the monolithic faces that inspire it. These statues, known as Moai, stand guard on Easter Island, a speck of land in the vast Pacific Ocean. Their creation is a feat that continues to baffle and bewitch us millennia after their construction. Let's take a step back into history to the time of the Rapa Nui people, believed to be the creators of these stone behemoths. The Rapa Nui were a group of Polynesians who settled on Easter Island around the 12th century. Their society was rich and complex, and they left behind a legacy that cannot be ignored: the enigmatic Moai. Constructed primarily between the years 1200 and 1500, these statues are a marvel of ancient engineering. Carved from solidified volcanic ash, each Moai is unique, with some towering as high as 33 feet and weighing up to 82 tons. The question that baffles us is, how did a civilization with no machinery or advanced technology transport these colossal statues across the island? Several theories attempt to explain this. One suggests that the statues were walked into place using ropes, while another posits that they were rolled on specially made tracks. Yet none of these theories provide a definitive answer, adding to the mystery that shrouds these stone giants. But the puzzling questions don't stop at transportation. The purpose of the Moai is another enigma. While some believe these statues were tributes to revered ancestors, others argue that they were representations of powerful chieftains or spiritual leaders. The secrets of the Moai and their creators continue to elude us. Despite the ceaseless march of time and the progress of modern science, we are still left wondering about these silent sentinels of a lost civilization. Their stone faces, turned towards the heavens, seem to hold an eternal question, a riddle meant for the stars. The Easter Island statues, a silent testament to an enduring mystery,